माने सर सुरू करूया.
सुरू करूया.
नमस्कार, मी डॉक्टर नितीन रणदिवे, सहाय्यक प्राध्यापक. आज आपण
हा नंबर पडलेला पहिल्यांदा डायरेक्ट प्रिंट द्यायची, आता परत लॉग इन करायचं.
नमस्कार. नमस्कार, मी डॉक्टर नितीन रणदिवे, सहाय्यक प्राध्यापक, दूरशिक्षण केंद्र. आज आपण पीएचडी प्रवेश परीक्षा तयारी या अनुषंगाने ऑनलाईन कार्यशाळेच्या निमित्तानं शिवाजी विद्यापीठातील वाणिज्य विभागाचे विभाग प्रमुख प्राध्यापक डॉक्टर एम गुरव सर यांचं वाणिज्य व्यवस्थापन, व्यावसायिक अर्थशास्त्र व अकाउंटन्सी या अनुषंगानं पीएचडी प्रवेश परीक्षेची तयारी कशी करायची या अनुषंगाने आपण या आभासी माध्यमातून एकत्र आलेलो आहोत. यासाठी मी सर्वात प्रथम प्राध्यापक डॉक्टर एम गुरव सर यांचं या ठिकाणी मी स्वागत करतो. तसेच दूरशिक्षण व ऑनलाईन शिक्षण केंद्राचे संचालक प्राध्यापक डॉक्टर डी.के. मोरे सर, उपकुलसचिव एस.एम. कुबल सर, तसेच सी.एस. कोते सर व समन्वयक डॉक्टर कृष्णात पाटील सर यांचं मी या ठिकाणी स्वागत करतो. आणि मी विनंती करतो डॉक्टर सुशांत माने सर, सहाय्यक प्राध्यापक यांना, की त्यांनी सरांची ओळख करून द्यावी.
धन्यवाद रणदिवे सर. दूरशिक्षण व ऑनलाईन शिक्षण केंद्रामार्फत 3 दिवसापासून पीएचडी प्रवेश परीक्षा तयारी या ऑनलाईन कार्यशाळेचे आयोजन करण्यात आलेले आहे. तरी आज या ऑनलाईन व्याख्यानासाठी वाणिज्य व व्यवस्थापन विभाग प्रमुखाचे प्राध्यापक डॉक्टर एम गुरव सर यांची मी या ठिकाणी थोडक्यात ओळख करून देतो. सरांची ओळख करून देण्यासाठी असा खूप कालावधी लागणार आहे, पण मी संशोधनाच्या मध्ये सरांचं काही योगदान आहे ते मी थोडक्यात या ठिकाणी त्यांची ओळख करून देत आहे. सरांनी पीएचडी 2 विषयामधून केलेली आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये पहिला विषय जो आहे सरांचा संशोधनाचा तो मनुष्यबळ व्यवस्थापन व दुसरा विषय जो आहे तो विपणन, या 2 विषयामधून सरांनी 2 वेळा पीएचडी कंप्लीट केलेली आहे. तसेच सरांना वॉशिंग्टन DC USA आणि त्याचबरोबर युनिव्हर्सिटी ऑफ साऊथ अमेरिका USA या 2 नामांकित विद्यापीठामधून लीट ही पदवी मिळालेली आहे. त्याचबरोबर सरांनी आतापर्यंत 11 मायनर म्हणजेच लघु संशोधन प्रकल्प पूर्ण केलेले आहेत. त्याचबरोबर सरांनी 3 मेजर रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट केलेले आहेत. सध्या सरांच्या जवळ एक आता मेजर रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट हा सुरू आहे. त्याचबरोबर सरांनी आतापर्यंत एमफिल 8 त्यांना मार्गदर्शन केलेलं आहे. तसेच पीएचडी 17हून अधिक विद्यार्थी मार्गदर्शन घेऊन त्यांनी त्यांची पदवी पूर्ण केलेली आहे. तर असे विविध अंगी ज्ञान असलेले प्राध्यापक डॉक्टर एम गुरव सर आज आपल्याला या व्याख्यानासाठी उपस्थित आहेत. कारण वाणिज्य व्यवस्थापन, अकाउंटन्सी व व्यावसायिक अर्थशास्त्र या 4 विषयातून वाणिज्य व्यवस्थापन विभागामधून जे विद्यार्थी संशोधनासाठी आपली नोंदणी करतात, तर यांची नोंदणीपासून ते त्यांची पदवी मिळण्यापर्यंत जी प्रोसेस आहे त्या सर्व प्रोसेसमध्ये सर मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये सर विद्यार्थ्यांना मार्गदर्शन करत असतात. तर असे बहुआयामी व्यक्तिमत्व आपल्याला या ठिकाणी आज ऑनलाईन पद्धतीने व्याख्यानासाठी उपस्थित आहे. तर मी सरांना विनंती करतो की सरांनी आपल्या व्याख्यानाची सुरुवात करावी.
सर माझा व्हिडिओ चालू होतो का? सुशांत सर, can you able to start my video? Can you hear me?
Oh, yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
हॅलो, येस सर. गुरव सर.
सर माझा आवाज येतो?
येत.
नाही, आणि व्हिडिओ माझा सुरू झालेला नाही.
एक मिनिट सर.
आणि मला शेअर करायला द्या की.
हो हो सर.
बांधकाम आता होतं बोलते आसपास कोणी वरती यायच नाही.
नाही, आता आपण फक्त डिस्कस का की आता
हॅलो. हॅलो सर, सुरू केलेलं आहे. तुम्ही शेअर करू शकता
कॅमेरा
सर.
सुरू केलाय सर?
हो हो
कॅमेरा सुरू केलाय?
हो सर.
नाही झाला सर.
तुम्हाला हो नाही, तुम्हालाच होस्ट केलेला आहे सर. प्रेझेंटर पण तुम्हाला केलेला आहे.
नाही ना. जरा बघ बा.
ठीक आहे.
एक मिनिट हा. आता माझा कॅमेरा बंद आहे.
खाली सर शेअर करणं ऑप्शन आहे बघा.
नाही, शेअर तरी होते का बघा. पीपीटी असं काहीतरी आहे. मेल वरून नाही. माझ्या डेस्कटॉप वरून करायचंय.
शेअर करायचंय.
हा.
काय कोणतं शेअर करायचं सर? पीपीटी. सर झालं.
सुशांत,
हो पीपीटी दिसते सर.
माझा व्हिडिओ किंवा तुमचे व्हिडिओ दिसत नाहीत. किती विद्यार्थी आहेत हे दिसत नाही मला.
सर
सुरू करूया.
हो सर.
पण तुमचे व्हिडिओ का मला दिसत नाहीत वरती?
लेआउट सर केलेलं नसेल बहुतेक त्याचं तुमच्या सेटिंग मध्ये.
माझं लेक्चर चालू आहे, नाहीतर बसणार तर बसा. फ्रेंड्स, very good morning to one and all. I hope so I'm not visible, but my PPTs are visible. Can you hear me?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, friends, very good morning to one and all. Today I'm going to speak on PhD entrance test. Very good friend of mine, Dr. D.K. More sir, and all his team members and interested aspirants for PhD in Commerce and Management. When we are talking about research, is it my PPT is visible?
Yes sir, it is visible.
It is moving?
No. Sir, please make slide show.
No, I did it.
Okay sir. It is moving sir now.
How to give an entrance, how to prepare for the entrance, which are the subject, and what is the overall picture about the PhD admission process, I'm going to narrate. Before starting my presentation, I used to give the declaration. My declaration is what I'm going to present. It is academic interest and basically for PhD preparation. I will focus only in commerce and management. For a few slides, when we are thinking about doing the research by way of PhD or by way of any research activity, every problem, every issue is a research topic in commerce and management. And when we are thinking to take the admission for PhD, we should focus on what I want to do. There are number of topics are there. Industrial slowdown is there, migration is there. And in research, systematized efforts to gain the new knowledge as per the definition. When we are interested to join for PhD, preparation for PhD entrance, we should gather systematized efforts for getting the new knowledge. When we are talking about the research, extra work, extra efforts are necessary. I kept 2 photographs on the screen. By using the banana trash, shoes and dress has prepared. It is the outcome of the research. And in our area, good amount of bananas are there, banana trash is there. Why not to utilize such as trash for the production of different type of products? Research in commerce and management, in business, trade, industry, corporate sector, agriculture, retailer, service, professional, in urban area, in rural area, national and international. Not only that, in war as well as the peace, we can do the research in commerce and management. Dear friends, I'm going to focus on how to prepare, which type of questions are there in the entrance test, how the objective test has been conducted, what are the formalities and technicalities. Because being the head of the department of commerce and management, good number of students are approaching me, discussing with me. We are interacting each other for their research work. So dear friends, hard work, rigorous work is necessary. Then only we can do the good amount of research. There are some factors which are determining the research in commerce and management. Your own interest, your existing body of knowledge regarding the subject, your broad area of research, your research objectives, and resources available. These things we have to remember for the preparation of the entrance, for joining the PhD work, or any minor major research activities. Dear participants, research is very useful in commerce, economics, management for all stakeholders. It means that it is useful to the all stakeholders. It is useful to the students. It is useful to the society. It is useful to the industry. It is useful to the business. Not only that, the government, social worker, NGOs, policy makers, etc. And that's why we should decide, we should know why we are going to take up the research. Research, PhD research, is an investigation of cause and effect relationship. It is a systematic getting the knowledge, new information. Linking between the research and the development. We are thinking about the research, what I want to do. It should be very clear. And for that purpose, the good amount of creativity, inner urge, sincerity, analytical mind, grasping power, very good amount of communication skill, familiarity with the various tools and techniques for research, capacity to classify, honesty, objectivity, these qualities are necessary. This is my introduction. Dear friends, for PhD research, I'm going to focus what is the technicalities in entrance test. After getting an admission, which are the formalities. But for the sake of introduction, every minute is a research opportunity. Every friendship is a research opportunity. Every shortfall is a research opportunity. And that's why. How you are doing the research? I hope so my slides are moving and you are seeing my colorful slides. I kept on the screen the outcome of the research, that is dehydration of vegetables. What is the problem? Because every problem is a research opportunity. There is a vegetable, leaf vegetable is there. And life of the leaf vegetables is very less. Longevity of life is very less. Maybe 1 day or maximum 2-3 days. If we are keeping in the refrigerator or cold storage, it may extend up to 1 week, not more than that. But to solve this problem, one of the students did the research, dehydration of vegetables. And very simple technique she has developed. And for that purpose, one should join for PhD. This is a solar dehydration. And we dehydrated the mangoes, carrot. The another research is the jaggery. The lifting water from the ground floor to the top floor, wind-based pump has developed. The idli making machine. In Beijing, there was the traffic jam about 9 days. And to solve this problem, small car has developed. Another picture photograph I kept on the screen, caravan, for tour purpose. Why not to develop such a type of outcome? Dear friends, when we are talking about the research, this thing we have to remember, then our research will be very, very excellent. Then I'm coming to the entrance test for commerce and management. This year about 25 to 27 vacancies are there. For entrance test, one can select for PhD commerce, advanced accountancy, second one. I hope so you are seeing the presentation on screen. Third one is a business economics. And fourth one, business management. There are 4 sub areas under the banner of commerce and management for doing the PhD and for appearing the entrance test. Commerce is focusing more of commerce. Advanced accountancy is focusing on accountancy, management accounting, costing, NPA, and many more areas, working capital, ratio analysis, areas, taxation, GST in advanced accountancy.
Sir,
Business
sorry, sir.
economy.
Hello.
Haan, sir. Haan, sir.
Sir, PPT is not moving, sir.
I am at 33rd slide. Not moving?
It is not moving, sir. Not moving, sir.
Just a minute.
Yes.
The video is not on. My video also not on. What is the problem? I don't know.
Okay, sir. Now it is seen.
Right now?
Yes. Please continue, sir.
33rd one?
Yes.
Entrance test.
Yes, sir.
Check it again. It is moving?
Yes, sir. Moving.
Okay. For entrance test, student has to prepare commerce, advanced accountancy, business economics, or business management for their study area. Under commerce and management, the entrance test paper is classified into sections. First section is research methodology. And second section is your subject at master level. When we are talking about the research methodology, you were studied at your PG level, at MCOM level, as well as at MBA level. The broad-based units are fundamentals of research, types of research, research design, collection and analysis of data, presentation of research. These topics you have to prepare in section 1 for 50% marks. And section 1 is more focused on research methodology. So my dear researchers, would-be researchers, you have to focus on the research methodology part, which will help you for getting the good amount of marks. You can refer any research methodology book where basic concepts of research, fundamentals of research, different types of research, including explorative research, descriptive research, diagnostic research, quantitative and qualitative research, different types of research are there. You can able to prepare. How to collect the data, primary data, secondary data, data collection methods, tools, techniques, tabulations, graphs, presentations. And one more unit is there, including the research design, that is presentation of research. This will help for getting the good marks in section 1. The same paper is divided into 2 parts, section 1 and section 2. There is no independent examination. And second section is focused on your compulsory paper at master level, specialization, including the MCOM, all 8 papers. For MBA, HR, marketing, finance, production, operations. These papers are there, subjects are there for examination. Dear participants, this entrance is classified. First part, commerce, advanced accountancy, and business economics for based on MCOM syllabus. And business management is based on MBA syllabus. I hope so. My slides are moving and you are seeing on the screen. So MCOM students can appear for commerce, advanced accountancy, business economics, and also for business management, and MBA students can appear for commerce, advanced accountancy, business economics, as well as business management. If you want to take the admission and at the beginning you have not decided, you can opt while you are filling the form, application form for entrance test, you can opt one or more than one subjects. One can apply one or more specializations, means commerce, advanced accountancy, business economics, and business management, because business management, its base is MBA base, and commerce, advanced accountancy, and business economics, its base is MCOM base. One can apply one or more specializations for his or her entrance test under the Faculty of Commerce and Management. Dear friends, in the admission process, there is a reservation as per the rules, Government of Maharashtra and Government of India, including UGC. University provides the guidelines. Accordingly, allocation of the seats will be taken place among the available seats which are declared by the university authorities. So reservation parameters are there, and reservation on the basis of caste as well as on the basis of home university and other university, also on the basis of specially challenged candidates. So for home university, 90% vacancies are there, and other universities, other than the home universities, 10% vacancies are there. If any candidate completed MPhil or NET set, they will get additional 7 marks. If one is completed NET set and MPhil, maximum 7 marks, or one is completed only NET, 7 marks, NET set 7 marks, or MPhil completed MPhil 7 marks as per the UGC guidelines. Such a reservation parameters are there. Reservation on the basis of caste, on the basis of physically challenged called as a Divyang, on the basis of home university, other university, and also provided some marks, 7 marks for NET set MPhil. The entrance test is objective test. There are 50 questions. 2 marks for each question, and multiple choice questions are there. Questions are tricky. Questions exact answer, more and more appropriate answer one has to give. So that precaution one has to take when he or she is appearing entrance test under MCOM base or under MBA base, maybe for commerce, maybe for business economics, maybe for advanced accountancy, or maybe for business management. As per availability of the sets, one should remember this is a objective test. Some examples I kept on the screen. These questions are not having any direct relation with the examination, simply for the sake of examination. Examples. Managerial functions are closely interrelated, simple, not found, independent. Which is the appropriate answer? The candidate has to give appropriate answer. Second example I kept on the screen, like functional areas of management is human resource, finance, production, and ... We have to answer. And generally, these multiple choices are very close to each other. For example, third one, Herzberg or Midberg's 3 primary managerial roles are interpersonal, informal, and ... 4 alternatives are there, A, B, C, D. We have to select one. And selection of the appropriate alternate is demands very good study, deep study. Who are interested to appear entrance test for PhD admission purpose, be particular, do deep study, micro study, which helps for facing the examination. And for that purpose, you can use your BCom and MCom books. For MBA, commerce books, as well as MBA 8 papers. Also, you have to refer quantitative aptitude, little bit statistics, mathematics, commerce and management, all subjects, which will help for preparation of the examination. Regarding the entrance test, qualifying marks are 50 for open and 45 for reservation. These marks, qualifying marks, may change. You can refer the Shivaji University guidelines as well as UGC guidelines for this qualifying marks. But generally, 50% secured candidate is treated as a qualified, and 5% relaxation for category students. So university prepares the list. after taking the entrance. Then interaction will be there. On the basis of interaction, subjects and other things will be discussed in front of the RAC, and the final merit list will be displayed. If anybody secured 50 and above, he is qualified, candidate is qualified. And allotment is taken place on the basis of merit, highest to lowest. Suppose 200 candidates are qualified. For example, 30 seats are there, of which 15 will be open, 15 will be reservation. For 15, 1 to 15 allocation will be taken place. 16 to 30 allocation will be taken place. So remaining candidates are qualified but not allotted. So remember this one. As per the Shivaji University guidelines, the qualifying entrance test marks are considered only for subsequent admission, not for continuously 1 year or 2 year or 3 years. That is the rule. And you can refer the Shivaji University guidelines. Dear friends, entrance test for PhD admission in commerce and management, because research, it is a road ahead for personality development through research paper, through MPhil. Right now MPhil has closed, PhD, minor and major research projects. So it is a road ahead for developing your personality, for going ahead. And if you can secure the good marks in in entrance test, then you will be admitted for our entrance test. Our research should be goal fit, structure fit, and manuscript fit, and then good research will be taken place. For research, objectives are there. You have to set 3-4 objectives. What is your object? Why you want to do the research? On the basis of that, your whole process of research will be undertaken. This is the latter stage, but when you are preparing for the research entrance, PhD entrance, you should know, and this will help for preparation of section 1 of your entrance test, that is the research methodology. There are these all concepts: need of research, research design, how you are doing the descriptive research, how you are collecting the in data sources, primary as well as secondary, which method you are going to use, how you are going to take the sample. These all things you will learn. For that purpose, in the research, objectives are important. Research methodology, you have to study, which will help for completion of your research, as well as research methodology study will help for preparation of the entrance test. And in research methodology, the plagiarism is there, report writing is there, layout of the report writing, references, bibliography, data collection, tabulation, analysis, methods of data collection, methods of observation, statistical tools, use and application of statistical tool. These things are there. You have to prepare for entrance as well as completion of your research as a PhD. Statement of problem is a part and parcel of research methodology. You have to write in synopsis, you have to write in your thesis. What is the statement of problem? Exact problem. Why you want to pursue, why you want to take that particular topic. Hypothesis is a part and parcel of research. It will be useful for completion of PhD. Some pictorial, how to select the topic, it is not important at this time, but your interest, and along with the interest, external and internal variables, objectives, hypotheses, which tools you are going to use, and on the basis of that you can select, you have to select the topic. For commerce and management entrance test, Generally, in a year, 2 times examinations are undertaken. Generally, registrations is taken place 1st January as well as 1st July as per the UGC guidelines, University Act guidelines, and to time statutes and ordinances. This practice followed by the university. 4 years duration is offered for completion of PhD. Under exceptional circumstances, 2 years extension is given, but 4 years are sufficient for doing a good research for PhD. After admission, pre-registration coursework is there on research and publication ethics. It is compulsory. 2 credit course is there. 30 hours you have to appear, and that is necessary. And then every 6 months presentation is there. Progress report one has to submit after getting the admission. Coursework for 3 papers are necessary. 40 days activities are there to prepare these 3 papers. One is a recent trend in commerce and management. Second one is a research methodology and quantitative techniques. And third one, your specialization. Such a structure is there. For research, commerce and management, research fellowships are there, good fellowships are there. Bharti is there, Sarthi is there, Mahajyoti is there, DRF is there, SRF is there, UGC is there, ICSSR, and many more funding agencies are there. University is also offering some financial assistance to the researchers if you will admit and apply under that particular process and category. Let us conclude. Good research title helps for personality development. Good abstract creates the vibrant personality. To the point objectives indicates the right goal. Proper hypothesis is equal to good imagination personality. Specific scope, talented personality. Effective research methodology is equal to you will valuable. And good research is nothing but a good personality. With this, I am very much thankful to the distance education of Shivaji University, Dr. D.K. More sir, very good friend of mine, professor and director of distance education, as well as his team and all other learned audience and PhD aspirants. With this remark, I am thankful to the organizer and all participants. This presentation is only for academic interest. I made it. If you have any doubt, any query, you can ask me. I will try my level best to answer. Over to Sushant sir.
धन्यवाद सर. विद्यार्थ्यांना काही शंका असतील PhD तयारीबद्दल तर विचारू आपण. आपल्याकडे 5 मिनिटं आहेत. विद्यार्थ्यांच्या मध्ये कोणाला शंका आहे उपस्थितांना? ठीक आहे. काही शंका नसतील तर आपण सर आभाराकडे वळूया.
Yes sir, yes sir.
काढून या ठिकाणी रिसर्च कसा करायचा त्यापासून ते फॉर्म कसा भरून किंवा कुठल्या कुठल्या विषयामध्ये आपण रिसर्च करू शकता यासाठी सगळी अशी माहिती दिली त्याबद्दल आपले धन्यवाद. मी यानंतर दूरशिक्षण ऑनलाईन शिक्षण केंद्राचे सहाय्यक प्राध्यापक श्री D.K. कमलाकर यांना विनंती करतो की त्यांनी आभार प्रदर्शन करावं.
नमस्कार. दूरशिक्षण केंद्र शिवाजी विद्यापीठ कोल्हापूर अंतर्गत PhD प्रवेश परीक्षा तयारी ऑनलाईन कार्यशाळा यामध्ये आज या सत्रामध्ये कॉमर्स, ऍडव्हान्स अकाउंटन्सी, बिझनेस इकॉनॉमिक्स किंवा बिझनेस मॅनेजमेंट या विषयातून PhD करत असताना कशा पद्धतीने तयारी करावी या संदर्भात आमचे गुरुवर्य प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर AM गुरव सर, एच.ड डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कॉमर्स अँड मॅनेजमेंट शिवाजी युनिव्हर्सिटी कोल्हापूर यांनी आपल्याला बहुमोल असे मार्गदर्शन केले. अगदी रिसर्च मिनिंग पासून एंट्रन्स कशा पद्धतीनं होते, प्लस कशापर्यंत मेरिट लिस्ट लागते, बऱ्याच गोष्टीबद्दल सरांनी आपल्याला इत्थंभूत माहिती दिलेली आहे. यातून बरेच विद्यार्थी आपली PhD कंप्लीट करण्यासाठी प्रयत्न करतील. सरांनी असे बहुमोल असे मार्गदर्शन केले, त्याबद्दल मी दूरशिक्षण केंद्राच्या वतीनं सरांचे अगदी मनापासून आभार व्यक्त करतो. त्याचबरोबर ही कार्यशाळा घेण्यासाठी आम्हाला प्रेरणा देणारे आमच्या दूरशिक्षण केंद्राचे संचालक प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर DK मोरे सर यांचेही या ठिकाणी मी आभार व्यक्त करतो. त्याचबरोबर आमच्या दूरशिक्षण केंद्रातील उपकुलसचिव SM कुबल सर तसेच कोथमिरे सर हेही आम्हाला या संदर्भात मार्गदर्शन करत असतात. त्यांचेही या ठिकाणी मी आभार व्यक्त करतो. आजच्या या सेशनचे प्रास्ताविक रणधीर सर यांनी केले, त्याबद्दल त्यांचे आभार व्यक्त करतो. गुरव सरांची ओळख माझे सहकारी मित्र माने सर यांनी करून दिली, त्याबद्दल त्यांचेही मी आभार व्यक्त करतो. त्याचबरोबर माझे सर्व सहकारी प्राध्यापक तसेच या कार्यशाळेचे समन्वयक KB पाटील सर या ठिकाणी मी आभार व्यक्त करतो. त्याचबरोबर सर्व डिस्टन्स मधील प्रशासकीय वर्ग तसेच सर्व या कार्यशाळेसाठी कार्यरत असणारे सर्व सहकारी माझे मित्र यांचेही या ठिकाणी आभार व्यक्त करतो. आणि सर्वात महत्त्वाचे, आजच्या या सेशनसाठी उपस्थित असणारे सर्व PhD करू इच्छिणारे सर्व विद्यार्थी मित्र या सर्वांचेही या ठिकाणी मी आभार व्यक्त करतो. आणि अध्यक्षांच्या परवानगीने आजचा हा सेशन या ठिकाणी संपन्न झाला असे मी जाहीर करतो. धन्यवाद. ईच अँड एव्हरीवन. थँक्यू.
थँक्यू सर. थँक्यू.
धन्यवाद गुरव सर.
थँक्यू सर. थँक्यू. तुम्ही हाक मारल्याबद्दल धन्यवाद.
थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
थँक्यू.